Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to talk about how to remove empty element from an array in the JavaScript. So I have already defined an array and you can see we have the null undefined values. So let me just console log our array first, and you will see a lot of undefined and null values. So we just want to remove these undefined and null values. The way of doing that, we're gonna have to write array and we're gonna use the filter, and in the filter I'm gonna simply use an arrow function and again. Alright, and this will work fine. I hope you would be familiar with the function of the filter. Okay, this n simply represents every element of our array. So let me just run this, but I have to give it a variable here. So I'm gonna simply console log the only values now. Alright, so let me just clear this for now and run it again. Now you can see here I have just simply removed every undefined and null value of our array. So this is how you can remove it. So we can also do it in this way as well. We're gonna simply write the number here and it will also remove all the undefined and null values. Okay, so it will also remove the string, but if I just don't want to remove a string here, so what I need to do, I'm gonna go with the boolean and run it again, so it won't remove the string values. Okay, so this is how we can remove the empty element from an array in the JavaScript. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.